Hi, my name is David Byte. I'm a Senior Technical Strategist for SUSE. Welcome to our booth at SC18. So the things we're showing at our booth this year have a lot to do with our HPC product set. So we have SUSE Linux Enterprise for HPC, and we're talking about that in particular. It's a fairly new product offering that is specifically designed for HPC customers. We also have the HPC module that we've had for a couple of years now that offers supported packages to our customers deploying HPC. And this is important because it makes it easy for our enterprise customers to consume HPC, unlike the research and government institutions where there's plenty of people and they're active in the upstream. We need to take that down to the commercial users. We're also talking about SUSE Enterprise Storage, our SEF product. Now this is a relatively young and emerging piece for the HPC market. It's used primarily as a second tier of storage that helps customers offload from that fast tier of storage to their secondary tier for long-term archive on disk. So some of the key partnerships we're talking about in our booth today would be some in the mini theater, things like Univa, ARM. We'll be talking about OpenACC in the booth today as well. That's something we just joined. And around the rest of the booth, we're talking about partnerships with silicon vendors and system vendors that we go to market with to build these solutions for our customers. So currently, SUSE is primarily in large HPC shops. We're partnered again with companies like Cray and HPE, where you see us deployed in the largest of the large clusters. What we're doing is we're taking that same technology and the lessons learned from that, putting it into the HPC product and module, and taking that down the stack to the smaller enterprise customers, where this is a emerging segment for them.
Hi, I'm Jay Kruemcke. I'm the product manager for high performance computing at SUSE. Welcome to our booth. For most of our HPC customers, they really have three problems. Number one, they'd like to get up and running very, very quickly, and then they need to maintain that over a period of time, so they need to manage that environment. And what they're really interested in is getting the most out of their HPC applications as quickly as possible. And so that's what we're trying to deliver, SUSE Enterprise Linux for high performance computing. What sets us apart from the competition is that many operating systems are really kind of focused only on low cost, and we made a fairly significant change to SUSE HPC last year where we're really delivering more value. So we've added things like HPC libraries and functions that are commonly just available without any support. We're now actually providing support as part of our SUSE Linux Enterprise. So we have a variety of customers, everything from educational institutions to very large industries like automotive manufacturers. What we've seen though is that high performance computing technology is being used by smaller companies. And so one of our focuses has really been on ease of use, being able to get up and running very, very quickly with relatively limited staff knowledge. So the areas that we see a lot of adoption is, as I said, we do have a lot of educational institutions, but kind of our primary core customers are the large enterprises, the ones that understand that they need to have patches, they need to have their systems secured, and they also want to make sure that if there is an issue, they have somebody to rely on and get help with. Thank you for stopping by. Look forward to seeing you next year at SC19.